Good afternoon. Where would you like to go?
Hi, I'd like to go to the city center, please.
All right. The city center. Is there a specific street or building?
Yes, near Central Park, on Maple Street.
Got it. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Oh, sure. Done.
Great. We should arrive in about 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, that sounds fine.
Is this your first time visiting the city?
Yes, it is. I arrived this morning.
Welcome. How do you like it so far?
I like it a lot. It's busy, but very interesting.
That's true. This city is always full of life.
Do you drive a taxi every day?
Yes. I work 6 days a week.
Wow, that must be tiring.
Sometimes. But I enjoy meeting new people.
That's nice. You must hear many stories.
Oh, yes. Every passenger has a story.
Is traffic usually this busy?
In the afternoon, yes. Mornings and evenings are worse.
I see. I'm glad I don't have to drive.
That's understandable.
Could you recommend a good restaurant?
Of course. Do you like local food or international food?
Local food, please. I want to try something new.
Good choice. There's a great restaurant near Maple Street.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you here for work or vacation?
Vacation. I'll stay for 5 days.
Nice. 5 days is a good amount of time.
Yes. I want to relax and explore.
You'll enjoy it. There's a lot to see.
Oh, we're slowing down.
Yes, there's some construction ahead.
That's okay. I'm not in a hurry.
Good. We'll still arrive on time.
Thank you for driving carefully.
Always. Safety comes first.
How much will the ride cost?
About $15. Maybe a little less.
All right. That's reasonable.
We're almost there.
Great. Could you stop near the park entrance?
No problem. I'll stop right there.
Thank you very much. You've been very kind.
It's my pleasure. Enjoy your stay in the city.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.